Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to arrange multiple images in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to arrange multiple images, go to the insert menu. Select the picture option, choose this device. Now I am select multiple image, click insert. Then resize the image. Now we can see here some image. Now we want to arrange the image. Select the image, go to the picture format menu, select the send backward option and make send to back. We can see we arrange the image easily. You can make the image font, select this send to font option, otherwise you can make image send to font. Now I am select the image and select the bring forward and choose bring forward. Again click send to back font. Now we can see we arrange multiple images in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.